I'm gonna go all in, $1,077. And I see that the price bounced from the 0.8694 low, and it turned into very strong growth. The zigzag reflects a sequence of the higher waves, while the chart forms a double bottom pattern. Okay, well, I'm gonna start pretty small, 45 bucks. And let's go right away. I see that the price reversed from a local high and it moved downward. The zigzag is showing a change in direction, and the green Supertrend is about to flip red. So it's time to go down, it's time to sell, and we are going for a put option. Let's do it. And as it's moving down and we're waiting for that drop, just wanted to remind you that if you want to learn more about trading and you want to explore profitable strategies, I shared all with you in my Telegram channel, the link to which you will find right below this video. So make sure you join and see it for yourself, because it's really, really, really worth it. And the first profit is here, $86.40. Well done, well done. Well, let's get on to the next one. This pair looks pretty promising to me, so I'm gonna do $86.40 for the next one, and I can see that the price bounced from 0.01 and confidently moved upward. Zigzag marks a rising wave, and the green Supertrend supports the growth. So, darlings, it's time to go all the way up, and we are going for a long. Guys, have you seen any J-Law music videos recently? Well, I think she's just stunning, and she's such a great example how woman, a singer, an artist, can be everything she wants to be. Ooh, $165 is exactly what I wanted to see, and it's here, and we are steadily building the profits. Okay, next pair, I'm gonna stay focused on trading. I'm not gonna start singing now. Let's see. Okay, time to get the bids up. $165.89. And oh, look at that. Would you look at that? The price formed a double top pattern around 1.185, followed by a pullback downward. So definitely time to sell. So anyway, if you could share your favorite R&B artist in the comments, I would be really grateful. I want to hear you out because I've been obsessed with this genre recently. I mean, you can probably tell. Can't help it, literally. $298.60. Yay! Yay! Fantastic result. Okay. Gotta see history on this. Well, let's do the max. $298.60, and I see that the price dropped sharply and set a new low at 0.65. The zigzag confirms a strong downward move, while a hammer-like candle at the local bottom hints at a possible short-term correction. So let's quickly sell, okay? Darlings, and if you are still a little bit hesitant about trading and you need that little extra confidence boost, I've got you covered, because in my Telegram channel, the link to which you'll find below this video, I use only proven educational approach to strategy to help you understand why things work the way they work. $573. Would you look at that? Guys, I started with 45 bucks as my first bid and I got over 500 by now. So I want to keep going and see. 573 for the next bid, and let's go right away. Take a look, darlings. After falling to 0.58, the price actually reversed with this strong upward impulse. The zigzag highlights the reversal, and the chart shows a V-shaped bottom. Very clear. Aroon signals buyer strength, so we are going to go all the way up. Time to buy. Time to buy. Let's do it. I'm in the mood. Ooh. $1,077.82. Just made my mood the greatest. I'm gonna go all in. $1,077. And I see that the price bounced from the 0.8694 low, and it turned into very strong growth. The zigzag reflects a sequence of the higher waves, while the chart forms a double bottom pattern. Guys, wow. Oh, and what about the Aroon? Tell you what, Aroon shows the buyers are in control with the uptrend line in a leading position. So all three point into one direction, and that direction is all the way up. Let's do it. I'm going for a long again. And all the way up. Here we go. $2,069.41. What a terrific result. Okay, I'm playing big today. 2,069 bucks is my next bid, and let's do it. So, tell you what, the price rebounded from 1.18 and it moved upward with a series of green candles. The zigzag confirms the impulsive rise, and Aroon is showing the buyer dominance. So again, the only option here is the option up, which means it's time to grow. Time for these green candles line up all the way up. Ta-da-ta-da-ta-da. Fantastic, just fantastic. All this energy, crazy. $3,662. Oh my goodness. Guys, just to reiterate, I started with 45 bucks in my account, and look how far I've got. This is such a wonderful session, and I'm definitely going dancing. I hope you're happy for me, because I'm beyond happy for myself. And darlings, if you need that little extra support when it comes to your trading journey, I've got you covered. In my Telegram channel, the link is right below this video. I will help you explore the most profitable strategies and actually improve your trading skills. I also share a bunch of pro trading tips, so do not miss out on a great opportunity. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go on and think about how I want to spend this money, because I just feel like little splurge. Let's see what I can come up with. Maybe I'll tell you in the next video. Stay awesome, stay tuned, stay in love with trading, and Have a beautiful day. Bye.